Hey there, Foundations. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, and let's just talk about the big news of the day, and not my hair that is looking crazy at this point. But obviously the governor announcing yesterday that we are closed building-wise for the rest of the year. And so what does that mean? It means that we are doing e-learning for these last few weeks. We got about 2.5 weeks of e-learning left with the wave weeks in between. And so we'll finish off e-learning this week. Next week will be a wave week. The week of May 4th is an e-learning week. The week of May 11th is a wave week. And the week of May 18th is the final e-learning week, leading to the 22nd, which is the last day of e-learning. And so with that in mind, that leaves us 2.5 weeks of work to do. And so this is where we are at. Obviously today we are starting a new lesson, a new unit. This will be a short unit. It'll be 3 sections, and you'll have a 50-point major test for this 3-section unit. And so this is on linear inequalities, excuse me. And so we'll do that today, tomorrow, Monday, with the test on Tuesday. I hope that this little short unit will help some of y'all understand just what we've been doing in Unit 4 a little better, and also just it's one of those things that we have to do because it is one of the standards for this course. With that then leaves us Wednesday through Friday of the week of the 4th, so it'll be the 6th, 7th, and 8th, and then the week of the 18th as our final week. So that gives us 8 days to cover what we're going to do with systems of equations. And so I'll detail that a little bit more on the next e-learning week as we get into that unit. So that's where we're at. So other things to be cognizant of as we go through. Understand that zeros will be going in for assignments that you have not done. And I do need to say that to quite a few of you because, again, it's falling, I feel like, on deaf ears sometimes, that some of you just have not logged in and have not done much the month that we've been out at this point. If you are having difficulties, please reach out. If you're not understanding something, reach out. If you're having technical difficulties, reach out. Contact me, contact the tech helpline. But understand that zeros will be going in for these assignments, and for some of you that will mean that you do not pass this class, and you will retake it next semester. Because some of you did not have a passing grade when we left, and that failing grade does not go away, and the grades for these assignments don't go away. And so failing to do all this work is not going to help you. It is not going to get you past this class. I don't know what some of you may be thinking when it comes to like these days and these lessons don't matter, because it does. That has been very clear from Superintendent Spearman and Dr. Robbins and everybody else that you are still supposed to be doing work. The building is closed, but learning is still to be happening. And so these grades count. While we have not put in zeros yet, they will go in on May 22nd. And for some of you, that will change what you have for this year. Because some of you might have done like 1 or 2 assignments and you see, ooh, I've got this in and I've got 100 or something. And then all those zeros are going to hit and you are not going to pass. I am just laying that out there very plainly and as clearly as I can say. So with that being said, get your work done. If you need help, reach out. Email me, use the Google Meets from 11 to 2. But you need to be doing something, because if you're doing nothing, you will fail. I don't know how else to say that to you. So with that being said, the lesson video will have the lesson. It's a pretty short lesson today on linear inequalities and graphing them. But be paying attention to the different signs and the different things that we use to graph linear inequalities. And then the word of the day will also be in that video today, not this one. And so with all that being said, I hope y'all are staying safe, stay home, don't do anything stupid, y'all. You've got the rest of the school year now where you don't have to go out anywhere. And I know for some of you, the cabin fever is real, and you want to get out, you want to do things, and go for a run, go for a walk. If you're a hunter, go out in the woods, go find a tree stand and go sit in it for a couple hours. But keep with the social distancing. I don't want to have to hear of any of my students being diagnosed with this virus. I want y'all to stay safe. I want you to do the right thing. Because I do want to see you in the halls next year, because that is the hope that we will be back in August and I will get to see your smiling faces once again. And so with that being said, I'm going to sign off here. So y'all have a good day. Again, if you need me, you know how to get me. And get your stuff done, y'all.